Welcome to Guinness and Math Guy. In this video, I'll show you how to find the combined area of these three squares, where we have the sum of all sides, the side of this square, medium square, side of this large square and side of this small square equal to 25 here, and from here to here we have, from this place to this place we have 8 units, and this length is 3 units. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this channel. Let's do this question. So first of all, let's give names to the dimensions of these squares. So let's say we have this length as A, and because it's square, all the lengths will be A each, and if this length is B, then all the lengths of this larger square will be B, and if this length is C, then all the lengths of this smaller square will be C each. Now we can see that from here to here it's sum of all sides A plus B plus C, and it's 25. So we have right away A plus B plus C is equal to 25. Now we know that, just look at this thick red line from here to here and then from here to here. All of this is equal to, this is A equal to this A, right? And this part is B, right? And this is C. And we know that A plus B plus C is 25. So from here to here, all of this is 25, plus if we include this 8 and this 3 also. So we have, if we look at this, we have three sides, one this side, then we have this side, and then we have this side. These three sides of the larger square. So we can write this as 3 plus A plus B plus C plus 8. That is three sides. And we know that this portion is equal to 25. So we can say it's 3 plus 25 plus 8. So 3 plus 25 plus 8 is 36. And we know that three sides, each side of a side of square is equal to each other. So we can divide this 36 by 3 to get each side of a bigger triangle, that is B, as 12. Now we know from here to here, it's 12, right? So, and if this is 8, this C must be 12 minus 8, that is 4, right? We have side of smaller triangle, we have side of bigger triangle also. And let's see here, if from here to here it's 12, then from here to here it must be 12 minus this 3, right? That is 9. Now we have sides are, let's say side 1 is 9 for the medium square, then side 2, that is larger square, is 12 each. All of sides are 12 each, and for this, and for the smaller square, each side is, let's call it side 3, that is 4 each. And we know that area of a square is S squared. So we have three squares. So total area will be 9 squared, that is s squared, 9 squared plus 12 squared plus 4 squared, and that is equal to 81 plus 144 plus 16. And if we add all these three numbers, we have 241 square units, and that is our final answer. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this.